So today we will perform activity 4.8 of class 8, that is displacement reaction. So first of all, let me tell you what is displacement reaction. The reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces another metal which is less reactive. So first of all, we will perform copper sulphate plus zinc, that is ZnSO4 plus CO. So in this reaction we will see how Zn displaces CO. So I am taking first of all copper sulphate, 1 to 2 spatula of copper sulphate in a beaker. As we know that copper is less reactive than Zn, so Zn will displace the copper metal in copper sulphate solution. Copper sulphate solution is blue in color, and this is our zinc granules, zinc metal. Let me add 1 granule of zinc, and we will leave the reaction for some time. We will add an ironel, and we will see how iron displaces copper. As iron is more reactive than copper, so it will displace copper from the copper sulphate solution. So this is our copper sulphate solution, and this is our ironel that we can call Fe, that is ferrous. Now I am going to add this ironel into this beaker which is contained with copper sulphate solution. So after some time we will see that iron will displace copper from the copper sulphate solution. We will take ferrous sulphate solution, and then we will add a zinc granule metal. So as we know that zinc is more reactive than ferrous, so it will displace the ferrous from the ferrous sulphate solution. So let's see. So first of all, I am taking some amount of ferrous sulphate. This is the color of ferrous sulphate solution. नहीं जलजीरा पानी ले पी पका ने. This is jaljeera pani. One of my students says that it is jaljeera pani, and he wants to made by chemical. He wants to drink it. Now we will add 1 to the granules of zinc metal. So we added a zinc granule to the ferrous sulphate solution. Let's see what will happen after some time. So we will take some amount of ferrous sulphate into this beaker, and we will see whether copper displaces ferrous in ferrous sulphate solution. And this is our copper wire. So we will check whether copper will displace ferrous or not. This is the result that we have got. The zinc granules displaces the copper in copper sulphate solution, and the copper is as you can see, this is copper deposited over the zinc granules, and the solution turns into white color, that is zinc sulphate solution. The brown color part, this focus forward. The brown color part, this is what this is brown color part is copper that is deposited over zinc, and it displaces the copper in copper sulphate solution and makes the solution zinc sulphate. Copper that is displaced by zinc granules, zinc metal. So this experiment we can see that zinc is more reactive than copper. So this is beaker B. The solution was copper sulphate solution, and we added 2 ironels, and now we can see the ironel displaces the copper in copper sulphate solution and forms ferrous sulphate solution. The green color, the green and yellowish color in the solution, it shows that ferrous has displaced copper from the copper sulphate solution, and the copper is deposited over the ironel. Brownish color part that is deposited over the ferrous is nothing but our copper. So this is third beaker, and we have taken ferrous sulphate solution and we added a zinc granule. So as we know, zinc is more reactive than ferrous, so displaces the ferrous in ferrous sulphate solution and makes the solution zinc sulphate. You can see the ferrous precipitate is settled down. So this shows that zinc has displaced ferrous from the ferrous sulfate solution. And this is because the ferrous is more active than copper doesn't displaces the ferrous in ferrous sulfate solution, so it has no reaction.